Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain you that how to download and install Python, and as well I'll explain you how to configure the path of the Python, how to check whether my Python path has been configured or not, and how to install packages, or we can say module, in Python environment. Okay, so let's start. So before installing the Python, obviously we need to download the Python. How we can download the Python? We can open any of the browser. Whatever the browser you have in your laptop or system or desktop, you can open the browser. There's no problem which browser you are using. Now what we have to do, we have to type www.python.org. python.org. This is the website from where you will see the tutorials, documentation, the official documentation, downloads, communities, success stories, all the things you can see. But anyway, the major concern we have to concentrate on documentation and download. So right now we are talking about download. So we'll just bring your cursor into the download. Don't hit on this. Bring the cursor. Bring the cursor into download the current version, because right now we have this current version is 3.9.0. so just click on this version and directly you'll be able to download the softwares. Next, what I want, suppose in case you might not require the current version to be installed in your system, maybe somebody has given you the project or given you the sample, and that sample is restricted towards some particular version of Python. So how will you install the particular version of Python? Even directly from here also you can install the particular version, but I don't want it to told you from here. I just wanted to give you from other tab. Even directly you can click here, download, like you just bring the cursor here on download, click on all release. When you click on all release, so you have the version all release 3.9, 3.86, 3.510, 3.79, and all the various versions you will have here. Whatever the version you require, you can download from here. So I would like to install, even here you can see the release date as well, when it got released. So right now what I want, I don't want this 8.6 or 5.10 or 7. Even what version I'm just looking, that version is available still here, but I'm just thinking to do some more simplest way to download. Even right now also we have here, so we can go to, I just want 3.6.8 things. I just wanted to download 3.6.8. so just see the 3.6.8 version of the Python. Where is it? So 3.6.3.57 and 3.6.8. December 24, 2018 it got launched. Directly I click on download. When I'll click on download, so I'll reach to another page. In that page, I'll come down to the files where we have x86 executable installer. This can be run into your 32-bit OS. Okay. Maybe you don't have the 32-bit OS, you have 64-bit OS, then you have to install this one, this one. Windows 86-64 executable installer. Even I too have unfortunately 64-bit OS, so I'm just going to download this one. I just click on this, so it's started to download this. Now maybe you feel that no, I'm not able to understand from where release to go, and directly you'll open that. Do we have any option where directly I can get particular version? So directly you can get here, just go to the Google, type Python, give the version 3. 6.8 I have given this, and right now directly you got this link. Click on this link, and here also you have the same manner. You just come into the file, and the same thing you have to apply. Now downloading process has completed up to here. The next process we are going to tell you how we can install Python. So to window directly you can click on this, like if you got the installation executable file here, then click on here only, or else maybe you didn't get, maybe it's not showing here, so directly you can go to your download folder. In the download folder you have 3.6.8, sorry 3.6.8. you can click on this, double click. When you double click, even you can double click, or else you can right click and open with, you can do it. Suppose I just right click on this and open, or run as admin, no problem in that. Either double click or in this manner also, no issue, whatever you would like to. Next we have one dialog box. In that dialog box we can see install Python 3.6.8 version 64-bit. Yes, I am installing 64-bit only. Next we have install now. So when we have seen this install now, the directory we got, C user developer app data. In your system you have your own directory. In my system I have this my directory. This 3.6 version I am just installing it. Next we have install launcher for all user. Yes, by default it would be checked, but if not checked, then it is your responsibility, you have to check this. Then only you will be able to run your Python software. The next we have add Python 3.6 to path. So what exactly those people are trying to say you? They are trying to explain you, trying to educate you that you can directly add the path by click here, so that automatically path will be configured in your system. So just click on this and then click on this install now. I just click on this install now. So you can see here, setup progress. So all the library file, all the things, whatever the core Python data would be here, that core Python data is being configured into your system. So let's see now. So it's configuring, installing. Just see this. It's take a bit time to install complete scenario. So it got installed. So setup was successfully. Close it. After that, I just wanted to check whether my Python got installed in proper manner or not. Then what you have to do, open command prompt by the help of CMD. Enter and type Python. Enter. Yes, my Python has been installed in it. To come out from this environment into our system environment, just write exit as a method. Now I wanted to check if path is in proper manner or not. So directly you can click on this. What are the paths would be available on my system? So write echo percentile path. Enter. So you can see whatever the path you have in your system, all the path you will be seeing here, all the path you can access by the help of echo. So see here, we are looking for the Python. Yes, Python is here. So Python also is installed. Now suppose what I want, maybe the path has not set and you got, the moment you type Python, so you got your file is not recognized as internal or external on command prompt you got. Then what we can do directly, we just go to the directory in which directory we have installed Python. So you just remember which directory would be. So directly open this PC here or any of the folder you just open, and from there this PC, C drive, users, your user, my user is a developer, and then here you have app data. In all the system it may not be appear the app data here because the app data is belongs to hidden folders family. So what you have to do to visible the hidden folders, you just click on view, options, view, and then show hidden files folder and drive. By default it would be don't show, but we have to customize in that manner. We have to click on this radio button, show hidden files, apply and OK. Then you'll be able to see app data. Click on this, then you'll have local. Click on this, then you will have programs. Click on this, then you'll have Python. In that Python 3.6. Then what is our responsibility to set the path? We just click on this path. How will you do it? We bring the cursor here on this URL bar, directory bar, and remove these all the things and type cmd. Sorry, not cmd. So what we have to do? Python. Click this. Control A, Control C. So that means I have able to copy this entire path. Then right click on this PC, property, advanced system setting, environment variable. Here I have already set the path, you have seen there by writing echo path. So I have this path here. If in case you don't have path, then what you have to do, click on new, write path, in variable name, in variable value, give Control V, which you have selected from there. Control V means paste, or you can paste manually also by right clicking paste. And then give semicolon, and then again Control V. After giving Control V, give slash here, the last slash, and then type capital SCRIPTS, scripts. Why I have said the path in two ways. One is only Python, another is up to script, up to Python 3.36 up to script. Why? If you will set the path up to Python 3.36, then you will get Python to be installed in a proper manner, no problem in that. But you may not be able to install your modules, your packages. The reason behind, because to install any package, any module, you have to write the command pip install package name into your command prompt. But pip is available on scripts folder. Let me show you. Here we have a scripts folder, and this is the pip.exe. Pip is available on scripts folder. This is the reason I have set the path for scripts also. If will not set the path for a script, then your pip will not work in it. Now what I have to do, I just need to check whether any module or any package, how will install the module or package. So right now what I have done up to here, I have just given you completely explanation how to configure path of your Python. After that, right now I'm going to explain you how to install any package or any module in Python. What you're supposed to do, click on CMD, type pip install package name. Package name is nothing but, suppose package name is your pandas or numpy, anything. Let me see whether my numpy is available on my, whether any package, suppose you wanted to check whether the package or module is already installed into the into Python or not. So you can check, either you can check by the help of pip list. So you can get all the list, whatever the things should be installed in it, you will get all the list. So see here, you got the list. NumPy is installed, Panda is installed, pip install, Python, this, all the things is installed. Another way how you can check, another way to check whether installed or not, Python, enter, import NumPy, enter. When I click on import NumPy, we have this, so that means NumPy is available. Next we'll click import pandas, enter, pandas also here. Next, import sklearn, enter. So here we have no module name sklearn. We don't have any module name sklearn. So this is one of the module. Suppose instead of sklearn you are typing numpy pandas, it's not available. Then what you're supposed to do? Exit, pip install sklearn, enter. Pip install sklearn, enter. So the moment you will write this statement, pip install sklearn, the Python start to find the packages. But make sure while you are installing the package, you should have the internet in your system. Otherwise, you cannot install any package. So let's see. It's downloading, it's installing all the packages. It take a bit time. The reason behind, because your internet connectivity is a matter. So how much fast your internet connection, that much fast your package will be installed. So I'm just waiting. Packages, just waiting, is successfully installed. So why we got this developer, because I was like, the moment here it got stopped, so I was thinking maybe something got stuck, so I was hitting enter. So this is the reason it has come. Anyway, I am ready with this package which I wanted to be installed in my Python environment. Install cls clear screen, Python, enter, and then import sklearn, enter. When I click on import sklearn, enter, so right now I got this one. That means I'm able to access sklearn library. The reason behind, because sklearn library got installed. So this is what, up to here we have the session for today, because like in the 3 module I just divided my session. The 1 module, how to download and install, second module, how to configure the path, and third module, how to import, how to install other module inside the Python environment. This is what. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, so please do subscribe and click on bell icon to get more updates on my videos. Thank you so much. I need your support to create more videos on this channel. If you have any requirement of yours, personal requirement, you want any topic, so let me know. I'll try my best to present you that topic as per your expectation.